In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free professional looking website that looks just like this with Odoo. Now, you may have heard about these recently. They're a new company that's just popped up, which allows you to create professional looking websites. So I'm going to show you around and show you how to use it. So first, you want to go to their website builder. So that is odoo.com or odoo.com. I'm unsure on how to pronounce it, but it is odoo.com. Once you're here, you can go ahead and start now completely for free. And if you just want to build a website, it is completely free forever with unlimited traffic. So once you click start now, it's going to ask you to choose your apps. We can choose website, and you can see free with unlimited users forever. So go ahead and click here where it says continue, and then enter in your details, including your first and last name, your email, a website name, phone number, and that's about it. Okay, so once you've signed up, you're going to be taken to the welcome page. And it's now going to ask you kind of like what website you want to build. Now, you can build a website yourself from scratch, but I recommend if you're new to Odoo, you go ahead and let the AI do it for you. So click let's do it. And then you want to explain what kind of website you're trying to create. So you can create a business website, an online store, a blog, an event website, or an e-learning platform. For me, I'm going to choose a business website, and I'm going to pretend like I have a marketing agency. So we'll type in here marketing agency. Once you've done that, it's going to then ask you what's the main objective. I'm going to put here to inform customers, and we can then choose a pre-made palette. You can change this later, so don't worry, but I quite like this one here. So we're going to go with this blue, white, and pastel colors. So now you can add pages and features that you're going to need on your website. For me, that's going to be an About Us section, services, pricing, and privacy policy. You can also add any of these as well, but for now, we'll just go with these four. Then we'll click build my website, and the AI is going to then build your website. Now, first, it will ask you what theme you like out of these three. Obviously, you can pick whatever you want. I'm just going to choose this one here on the right, and it will then start to build your website. Then we can start to customize it. Okay, so here we are inside of our website, and just from the start, it's looking very good, really professional, and we can go ahead and edit all of this. We can add new elements, we can delete elements we don't like, so let's jump into that. So here on the home bar, we've got home, services, pricing, about us, contact us, and so on. And we've also got a banner with images we can change. We've got different buttons which visually show our business, as well as text, images, and animations. So if we go to edit in the top right hand corner, it will then take us into this window here where we can start to edit our website. So what I'm going to do first is click on the banner, and you notice when you click on it, it updates on the right here, and you can choose through different templates. So if we go to template, we can go ahead and choose whatever banner suits our website. For this video, we're going to go for a rounded box menu actually. So go ahead and click on what menu you want. It's going to update it, and you'll see it live here. Now, if you wanted to preview it properly, click save. And then here you can see here is your banner. Now, I don't like how this banner comes with us, and we can actually edit this in Odoo. So go to edit and go ahead and click on the banner again. And if you scroll down, you've got a load of different settings like the border, the corners, you've got the shadow settings. You've also got here scroll effect, which I'm going to change to disappears or fade out. So now when we scroll down, it should fade away. So that's perfect. We can now click save. So now what else do we want to change? Well, if we click on services, it obviously takes us to the services page. So these pages we're going to have to customize later, but for now we'll stay on the home page. Now I'm going to click on the header again, and I'm going to change here the alignment. So on the mobile alignment, I want it to be in the center. So now we're covered on mobile as well. It should be centered for mobile. You can preview mobile by clicking on the mobile preview. And here is your website, right? So now let's go ahead and customize the next block, which is going to be this block here. Now, if you wanted to delete a block completely, you just click on delete and that block will go. And if you want to undo anything, click on this button, right? So now let's take a look at this block. So we've got an image which we can click replace on, and we can go ahead and upload our own image. I'm not so sure what image I have to replace it with, so we'll just go with this one. So now we've got that image updated. We can also edit the text. And there we go. Once you've got your text edited, you can also change here the font and the text elements. So you can make this bold if you wanted to. And we're going to bring the font size up to about 20. We're also going to change this font because I'm not a big fan on it. So we can go to text style, and you can also change the text style as well as the font. Okay, so now we've done that. Let's go ahead and save this and see what it looks like. So we've got grow with us, a social media agency based on results. We've also got this image here, which kind of blends into the the background, which I might want to change. And again, all of this can be edited inside of the editor. It is quite advanced, so you're going to have to go through it individually. So we can click on the background and let's choose like a white background. And maybe we want this kind of style, right? That would require us to change the text color, which we can also do. And again, you want to be really patient with this. Creating a website from scratch is not going to be easy, but this allows you to really customize your website and create the website based on your needs. Again, all of these elements and different things here can be replaced. Now, one thing that I'm also going to show you how to change is, let's say you want to add a new block. So under this text paragraph, we want to add a new block. We can now go to blocks and we can go ahead and choose a block. So let's say we want an image gallery. We can drag that under here. It's all drag and drop. And here you've got an image gallery added. And if you click on it, again, you can add images and you can change all of these settings here. So let's say we want to round the corners, let's say 20 pixels, we can do that. And this is the great thing about this website editor. With things like Wix, it's kind of easy to learn. This is quite advanced, but you can do a lot of things with it. You can also change to a shape. So let's say we want like an art shape. Now we can preview these images via a shape. So go ahead and play around with it. Once you're happy with your website, click save, and it's literally going to save it right there. You are going to need to verify your email address, because if you don't, it will only be live for 3 hours. But once you've done that, your website will be live forever. Here at the top, you'll see your domain. It will have your website name .odoo.com. So you can go ahead and give this to other people, and when they go to it, they'll be able to see your website here. So go ahead and create a professional looking website. Take your time with it, but that's how you can use Odoo to create a website.